Dear students, in the last class we have discussed about the natural indicators. In that first one, litmus. Litmus is a natural indicator. Litmus we can obtain from the lichens. Okay. So another natural indicator, second one is a turmeric indicator. Turmeric is another natural indicator. First one is a litmus paper, second one turmeric indicator, litmus indicator and turmeric. So turmeric is another neutral indicator. Second one turmeric. Turmeric is another natural indicator. Turmeric is another natural indicator. Take a tablespoon of turmeric powder, add a little water and make a paste. First we have to take a tablespoonful of turmeric powder and we can add a little amount of water and make a paste. Okay. After that, make turmeric paper by depositing turmeric paste on blotting paper or filter paper and drying it. And cut thin strips of the yellow paper obtained. If we cut thin strips of the yellow paper obtained, just we have to take the turmeric powder, we have to add the some water and make it paste, and make turmeric paper by depositing turmeric paste on blotting paper or filter paper. We have to take the one filter paper and you can apply this paste on filter paper or blotting paper and dry it. Cut thin strips of the yellow paper we can obtain. Okay. Take a tablespoonful of turmeric powder. Tablespoonful of turmeric powder. Take a tablespoon of turmeric powder, add a little water and make a paste. Make turmeric paper by depositing turmeric paste. Make turmeric paper by depositing turmeric paste on blotting paper. On blotting paper or filter paper. Blotting paper and filter paper and drying it. Cut thin strips. Of the yellow paper obtained. Cut thin strips of the yellow paper obtained. Okay. Put a drop of soap solution on the strip of turmeric paper. Okay, we can put a drop of the soap solution on the strip of the turmeric paper. What do you observe? The turmeric paper changes the color into red. Why? Because soap solution is a base. Base with turmeric, it will be turmeric color changes into the red color. For suppose if it is acid, means any lemon juice or orange juice or vinegar is there, means There is no color change, same yellow color. And put a drop of soap solution. Put a drop of soap solution on the strip of turmeric paper. On the strip of turmeric paper. Put a drop of soap solution on the strip of turmeric paper. Then what do you observe? What do you observe? We can observe that turmeric paper changes into color, red color. Okay. Turmeric solution with basic solution it color changes into turmeric with basic solution, it color changes into which color? Red color. Turmeric with basic solution, it color changes into red color. In the same way, turmeric with acidic solution, it color changes into turmeric with acidic solution, no color will change. There is no color will be changed with acidic solution. That means same as it is yellow color. Turmeric is a yellow color, so no color change with acidic solution. So yellow only. Okay. Simply we can do one activity in your home. What is that activity? You prepare a greeting card for suppose in your home any your mother, your father or your sister or your brother birthdays is there, means you prepare a greeting card for them. How to prepare the greeting card? Apply turmeric paste on a sheet of plain white paper and dry it. Dry a beautiful flower with soap solution. With the help of a cotton bud, you will get a beautiful greeting card. Okay, you will get a beautiful greeting card. What is the activity? First we have to take the turmeric paste. The turmeric paste we can apply on a sheet of plain white paper. Turmeric paste you can apply the sheet of white paper and dry it. Dry a beautiful flower with soap solution with the help of a cotton bud. You will get a beautiful greeting card. Okay, this is the activity. Once you have to try in your home this activity.